Excuse me. Excuse me.
How you doing, bro? I'm sorry to
Hey.
know that.
Fucker. Fucking beating his car. Somebody should beat
That's
you.
what she said.
I bet you do beat yourself. What the fuck?
Okay, bye.
Love your car.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I get a picture right quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
My bad.
What shit is that? We bought a remote car.
Yeah.
Hold up. I fucking love this chick.
I do too.
Where'd she go? Yo, we seriously just mess up car people just talking to them. I mean, I met like 2 other Honda people. I'm just here. I see things, but you know. What'd you say? Something's happening. I'm just recording shit. Alright. I'm just here. Don't mind me. You said what?
The car has 1,500 torque. Or foot-pounds of torque.
That shit sound nice, right? Yeah, it sound like, it sound something, oh, I love you too. Where you going, buddy? Come on. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. I think he's about to, no, okay. I think he's about to do a pull, maybe. No. Oh. Okay, that was great. That was great. We're just going to 7-Eleven. About to fucking pull. That's what we do. Oh my god, that shit sounds so good.
And I saw him pull on the side.
Hold up, is that who I think it is? Oh, that's Midnight Crew.
Gas products, the paint's on check up.
Yeah, don't. The one thing, don't use like wheel brighter because it's an acid base.
I'm just here. Honda gang shit.
What do you think I should do right now? Like,
There you go.
Where the fuck he come from?
yo, police don't come over here and be like, y'all gotta set this down. Fucking car shop.
Yo, that shit low as hell, bro.
Oh yeah.
Just Mopars doing Mopar things. This shit sounds so fucking nice. I'm just here. Hey, she down to it. Yeah. Hey, look, fuck up. Hey.
Hold on, I got you.
Hey, what the fuck is going? Hey, what the fuck? Where'd he go?
Oh, I forgot he didn't put it here.
You better not be grabbing my perfume.
Niggas funny as shit. Yo, they real live doing that shit. I'm just here. Don't mind me.
Why you scared?
Hey, what the fuck is going on? Hey, I'm just here.
You scared? It smells like cologne, bro.
We're just.
No.
Yo, so I'm about to end it. Hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, about to end it. Had a good night. Shout out to everyone that I met. Peace. Stay humble, stay driven. F Cancer, I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.